Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amsterdam Public Transport Easy Guide. Tap your card at the gate before boarding, and always check the digital display for next departures. I'll walk you through buying tickets, validating OV chip cart, and reading tram, bus, and metro maps so you can travel calmly. Keep an eye on off-peak discounts and transfer rules to save money and time while exploring Amsterdam with confidence. In this video, I will show how to use Amsterdam Public Transport Easy Guide. Start by selecting the right ticket for your plans and top up as needed at kiosks or machines. I will explain contactless payments versus OV chip cart use and where to buy daily or multi-day passes for tourists. Learn to validate properly and check balance before boarding to avoid surprises and ensure smooth city travel. In this video, I will review how to use Amsterdam Public Transport Easy Guide. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more travel tips. Quick recommendation: try the comfy socks I mentioned for long walking tours and cycling transfers. They hold up and feel great. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to use Amsterdam Public Transport Easy Guide. When aboard, hold rails and keep bags out of aisles for safety and comfort. I'll cover reading route numbers, identifying peak and off-peak times, and how to transfer between tram, bus, and metro without extra cost. These small habits make travel easier, more pleasant, and faster when navigating Amsterdam's public transport network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.